I'm gonna try to refinish this planer. I'm just gonna get it in better shape in 5 to 10 minutes. That's gonna be my goal. Take it apart, give it a quick sand, oil it up a little, and dry it off and take some photos of it. Let's do this. All right, tools, quick, let's do this. I get a wire brush, we get some of these, probably won't use those. Get a can of oil. We got some sandpaper. I think this is 60 grit. It'll be good for this. Yeah, it'll be good. 60 grit. Make it work. We got a rag. We get a coffee. I think that's all I'm gonna need. And we need. If I can find one. One of those screwdrivers. Flip the thing right there. This goes out. Take the blade out. You can kind of try and remember how everything went. It might not come. It did. There's your nut. There's your blade. 2 blades. Do we want to take this whole thing off? Might as well. This puppy's gonna probably break this screwdriver. Let's see if we get a better one. Hardy screwdriver. This is probably not going to do it. It's multi-tool. Roughing it, but it'll probably work. I was gonna say my uncle used to work on cars. He used to work on cars all the time, and he always used to say, everyone's like, oh, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Sometimes, I'm not sure which way it actually did that, but I went lefty. But sometimes if you tighten it first and then try and loosen it, it's good to crack it. That was my point. I was trying to go with that. All right, so we got that off. Cleaned out. Pot there. Pots. Hopefully it looks a little better. But again, I'm gonna over tighten everything with the vice grip. You know what I didn't do? Exactly what I said. Sometimes you gotta go in reverse. Now we're back at this step here. Can I either use the vice grip or I can use this. definitely seated more because it says some paint loss. And I heard some creaking on that one. So it's definitely on there. It out. Get it center. Get it kind of hold it there. Pretty good. I think it goes to the bridge of right here, but it might go forward a little, just clearing that bolt. Keep in mind we're not operating this, so we're just getting it there.